Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about how we can swap two numbers using third variable. So let's start. So firstly, we have to create a Java project. So go to File menu, go to New, and see here there is a project name, right? Click on that. Search here Java project, select Java project, click on next button, give project name Java underscore interview questions, Java interview questions, right? Just click on finish button, click on no, double click on that project, go to SRC and select SRC, right click, go to new, and here we have to create a package. Package means folder that we create in Java to store our program in organized manner. So package name we can give any. I am giving package name P1, right? Click on finish button. Press Ctrl N, type class. I am giving class name swap, right? So just click on finish button, right? Let's create main method, right? So let's take two variable integer a and b, right? Pass the message SYSO control space for enter, right? Enter any two numbers, right? So we are taking user input. So we have to store that values. So let's create scanner class object. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in. So see here is giving me error. So just press Ctrl 1 and hit on enter, right? Error is go. So import Java util dot scanner package is important, right? So EA is equal to in dot next integer, because here we have declared variable as integer, right? B is equal to in dot next integer. So just pass the message before swiping. SYSO control space for enter, right? So before swiping, print the values before swiping. Type SYSO print A is equal to plus A, right? And B is equal to B. B is equal to plus B, right? Let's write for swiping. Swiping using third variable, right? So how we can swipe the values? Like here, if its value is 10 and its value is 20, right? So we have to swipe. What? This value will become 20 and this 30. So this is swiping. So like we are going to enter 10 and 20 and output will be A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. So let's do that. So let's make a temporary variable and temp is equal to I. We are storing A value into temp variable, right? And A is equal to V, and we are storing B values into A, and here B is equal to temp, right? Here we are storing A value into temp variable and B value is into A variable, right? And temp variable into B, right? So this print after swiping SYSO control space bar enter. After swiping SYSO control space bar enter. A is equal to A, SYSO control space bar enter. B is equal to B, right? So let's run the program and see the output. So it's asking us enter any two numbers. So I just enter 10 and 20. So before swiping, A value is 10 and B is 20. And after swiping, A becomes 20 and B becomes 10. Right? Right? So that's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye. Take care.